go start some scrapes. So we're just leaving Wally World. I needed more DRP, and I had to buy SD cards because I'm planning on pulling the cameras. And I forgot to get the little book of them from Tom. So should be all set. Run down to Drew's here, get the rest of the drippers, and head over. So yeah, let's go mess around in the woods. What's up, guys? It is Sunday, October 14th, and we are, well, I am headed over to our hunting lease to hang up some scrape drippers because we're coming into that peak time. Finally had our first major cool down this week. I really should be going over here to sit, but nobody else was available to hunt today, and I don't feel like dragging a buck out by myself. Because I already shot a doe. I came over here for our first sit, September 23rd, and at about 6:23 p.m. I stuck a big nanny doe. Ran about 60 yards and piled up in a hedgerow. So yeah. And of course, I shoot a deer when I don't have any cameras with me. I really didn't anticipate actually shooting a deer that first sit, so we got some meat in the freezer. Now it's time to get ahead for the wall, so we're gonna go over here, hang some drippers, maybe putz around with some cameras. We'll see. Figure I'd bring you along. So yeah. I feel like cows are so judgy. I see you. Alright, just made it out here. Walking back in. I forgot that I also couldn't find the arrow that I shot that doe with, so maybe we'll take a look and see if we can find that. I'd like to have it just as a souvenir. The main goal today, hang drippers, pull SD cards, so see how this goes. Not a great branch. Stick. Tear it up a little bit.
3 drippers in. Let's go look for my arrow. Doe I shot fell just down here, so go take a look, see if we can't find it. That's the stand I shot the doe out of. She was right there. 31 yards, double lunged her. Just remember that we got part of the recovery on camera. The guy I was hunting with had his camcorder out, so I might be able to get some footage for you. I just gotta grab his SD card, so. We got 4 or 5 drippers up. Made one fake scrape. Just because there was nothing over there and I'm trying to put them on the cameras, so. Hopefully it doesn't turn them off, so. I'm gonna navigate this bog, we'll go up to the food plot. Mosquito. Yeah, this one's tore up. Let's see what we got. Does this one got anything? Not really. Man, it sucks about this. There's no place to put the camera. I need a stick. Look at this find. I know these belong to Drew, so I don't know if he dropped them off the four-wheeler or what, but we'll get them back to him. I don't know what to do with this camera. Alright, mission accomplished. I got 5 drippers hung. There's 6 more coming in the mail. They didn't come fast enough. I wanted to get out here and do it this weekend. So, 5 drippers hung, moved 2 of the cameras so that they're on active scrapes. Pulled all the cards, so we'll get back to the truck and see what's on them. Don't know how long I've been out here because I left my phone in the truck by accident, so it didn't take too long. So hopefully there's some cool pictures and we'll take a look at them. See. Alright, so I'm just pulling out of the farm now. I looked at the trail cam pictures on my phone and there's a couple that you need to see. So I gotta get them back to the house, download my computer and get a better look at them. So stay tuned, we'll take a look at them. Happy to see big bucks. Alright, I was gonna record this, but I figured we would just do a voiceover because my studio's a mess. So, right into the trail cam. First we have some cows. The same assholes that were judging me on my way in. Then we have one of the million herds of turkeys that we have on the property. Look at that. Gobbler. Gobbler. Wait for it. Gobbler. If you want to go turkey hunting, hit me up. South Central Wisconsin. We'll go this spring. A few does. We have a ton of those too. They're all over the cameras. Just mowing down on some. We did plant some clover in there, so. Next we have this wily coyote who shows up like 5 times on this trail cam. He shows up when I'm in the stand. He's going to get an arrow. Then we have this young fella. He's going to get a pass this year. He probably needs another year or 2 to grow. He'll be a nice deer, just not quite there yet. And he is all over. This goofy guy is going to get an arrow just to cleanse the gene pool. There's some antlers there. You can't really tell what's going on there. And then this boy. Woo. That's a nice deer. Our property is currently for sale, so if it gets sold out from under us, we're done. So he's going to catch an arrow if he walks in front of me. And this guy with that little, he's got double crab claws in the front. He's definitely a 12-pointer. Good deer. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll do some more pictures here coming up when we pull the cameras the next time. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe.